Have you ever tried running Python version in your laptop and got only an error saying Python not found, even though you know that Python 3 is already installed in your laptop? The issue is because modern software systems often have Python 3 installed with the command Python 3 rather than just Python. So this can be confusing and inconvenient, especially if you are following any tutorials that use the Python command. So the solution to this is creating an alias, essentially a shortcut that tells your system to run Python 3 whenever you type Python. Here is how you do it. You just need to type alias Python equals Python 3. So whenever you call Python, it will execute this Python 3. So I have run this line now. Now if I check Python version, it will print Python 3.12.8 instead of printing command not found error. To make this a default thing, you need to add this to your GSH profile. So for adding this line to GSHRC, you just need to type echo followed by the complete command that you want to add to your GSHRC and double arrow and provided by the path to your GSHRC. So once you run this line and source GSHRC, so your GSHRC file is updated, and even though if you close and open your terminal back and if you run Python version, it will say the correct Python version, and you can check what it is referring to by using the which command. So if you say just which Python, it will say that Python is alias to Python 3, and that's it. Now you can use either Python or Python 3 commands interchangeably.